Write a simple resume heading. The key to making an effective resume is to make sure that it stands out. At first glance, employers would not be able to read all the details in it in a snap. So for you to be able to get their attention, your resume must be attractive and impactful when it comes to the format and heading. Your resume must be simple yet striking. One way to do this is to focus on the fonts, style, and size used in typing out your details. For more information on how to make your resume heading, just read the guidelines below. Make your heading. In making your resume format, the document's first line must contain your full name. Use a size 22 x New Roman font. Press Ctrl+B to make it bold. Your name should be the most visible part of your resume. This will catch the attention of the employer. Put your address. Using size 10 x New Roman font, state your home address, state, phone numbers, and email address. Make sure that you write down your full street address. See to it that your resume looks professionally done. Each line must contain one detail only. Each contact detail must be on a separate line. Indicate all your contact numbers. Make sure that you include your home telephone number and mobile number. In typing them, use a size 10 x New Roman font. There would be no need to make it bold because only your name should stand out in the page. If employers want to contact you, they will look for your contact details on your resume. Use bullets. Most probably, you are typing your resume using Microsoft Word. To use bullets, click on the Insert option on the Program's menu tab. Choose Symbol and select the dots square. Doing this shall insert bullets in your resume format wherever your cursor is. Put these in between your phone numbers. Use black and bold lines. If you want your resume to be more impactful, you may put a bold and black line after your personal contact details. To do so, just look for the program's toolbar. You will see a line button. Click it. You may drag this line to lengthen it. To adjust the thickness, right-click on it. Choose the 8 pt size. This will add more impact to your resume. Basically, these are the guidelines in making a simple yet impactful resume. Remember that your resume should look professional and formal. You cannot make it colorful and you cannot add lots of unnecessary elements. With this, the only trick is to use bold types and lines to add impact to your resume. Once you have done your resume, all you have to do is update it from time to time, especially if you are applying for a new job. Remember that first impressions are important when it comes to job applications. Since employers do not have an idea of what you are like as a worker, your resume might just be their basis for your acceptance. Remember, a simple, professional, striking, and impactful resume is what you should aim for.